Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the host PC so remote sessions are reliable. Enable remote desktop in settings and verify you run Pro or Enterprise, because Home won't accept inbound RDP by default. Next, set a static IP4 address or a DHCP reservation on your router so port rules stay valid. Then create a dedicated user with a strong password and open a specific firewall rule for remote desktop. This prevents accidental lockouts and makes the next steps deterministic. Once the host is fixed, configure the router so internet traffic reaches it. Forward an external TCP port, either the default 3389 or a custom high-numbered port, to the host's static IP. Using a non-standard port reduces random scans. Make sure the host requires network-level authentication and that the firewall allows that port. Also, harden accounts with long passwords and lockout policies. This reduces brute force risk. Finally, register a dynamic DNS name if your public IP. You finish by verifying end-to-end connectivity and hardening the link. From a different network, open remote desktop using your public IP or DDNS name and append the port if non-standard. Confirm you can log in with NLA. Enable strong encryption settings in group policy and update Windows and router firmware to patch exposures. If everything works, consider using a VPN for safer access. Troubleshooting tip: if it fails, immediately recheck port forwarding, host IP stability, and Windows firewall rules as the most common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.